Today, I'll demonstrate how to apply a blur effect to a specific area or object in your videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Before we dive in, we'll be using CapCut PC for editing in this tutorial. First things first, open CapCut and create a new project. Now, import the video you want to edit by clicking Import, navigating to your file and selecting it. With the media in our library, let's drag it into our timeline. Next, we'll create an overlay. Right-click the video in the timeline, choose Copy, then right-click above the video and select Paste. Now, head to the top and select Effects. Under the Video Effects drop-down, locate the Lens tab and find the Blur effect. Drag it onto your overlay video. Placing the effect within the overlay ensures the blur only affects the overlay, not the main video. Adjust the duration and intensity of the blur as needed. Right-click the overlay, choose Edit Effects, and readjust the blur settings. But we're not done yet. To focus the blur on a specific area, click on the overlay and select Mask in the top right corner under Video. Ensure the mask box is checked. Choose your desired shape for the blur. I'll use a rectangle. Adjust the shape to fit the object you want to blur. Now, the blur should only affect the selected area. If you want to blur outside the shape, click the reverse icon. Congratulations, you've successfully applied masking, overlay, and effects to blur a part of your image. If you encounter any issues, drop a comment and I'll assist you. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye!